This story is about the largest economy, the largest refiner of India, and the largest shipping company of Russia. When US implemented sanctions on Russia and the Russian oil, the largest refiner of India, that is how Reliance is known across the globe, the largest refiner, was buying 5 lakh barrels of oil per day and still buying. But then it was buying through the ship company, which is the largest shipping fleet and the shipping company of Russia, which is mostly state owned. Now the domino effect that the sanctions of the largest economy US had on this sanctioning of the Russian oil and the Russian fleets used to transfer the Russian oil from Russia to India is huge. And as of today, because of those sanctions, in a year, the Russian fleet of SCF has shown quarterly losses of $400 million. So this sanction was implemented by OFAC. OFAC is Office of Foreign Asset Control. This is the regulatory authority of USA who sanctions everyone that they seem fine with. And then everyone has to maintain and honor that sanctions to cater to the US market because they are the highest paying consumer. Anyways, so on Feb 23, 2024, Reliance, the largest refining company of India, as known globally, was buying Russian oil and Russian gas, and all that oil and gas was being transported via this company, Sovcomflot, which is Russia's state-owned shipping company and a fleet operator. If you look it up, this is how they ban the Russian websites. Okay, so SCF is that company and has hundreds of fleets on ground which carries LNG, oil, and other fuels. So when this was banned, this was sanctioned particularly. So when this was sanctioned particularly by the OFAC, which identified its 14 crude oil tankers, which Reliance was using particularly. Reliance immediately issued a guideline that not to use SCF companies anymore. Along with this, Indian government also issued an internal guideline to all the oil buyer and the gas buyers that don't use SCF particularly, because it has been sanctioned. And just because of these sanctions and the domino effect, this company is today facing a loss of $393 million for the first quarter. And it was actually highly profitable before. Now Indians are buying 1.5 million barrels of oil per day, even more than that. BPCL is buying, Reliance is buying, a lot of other government institutions are buying. And when even the shipping has been banned, sanctioned to not be used, imagine the banking restrictions. Along with this, Russian fleets are always under the drone attacks. So there is a bottleneck of supply. How are they structuring their companies in a way through Dubai that is helping them in banking? Next video we'll study how is Reliance making their oil trading base as Dubai. In the next video we'll study how has Reliance made their oil trading base as Dubai and is bypassing all the sanctions plus saving taxes. See you.